The inter-conservation area games or the inter-CA games, these are games that we organize annually. And they bring together all the CAs and we compete in various sporting disciplines. We do range shooting, we do football, we do netball, we do volleyball, we do darts, and recently we have also introduced the tug of war at a professional level, because now we also get umpires from the Federation of Tug of War to come and officiate these games. So, but bottom line is that these games bring us together as a family. Someone will look at themselves as staff from headquarters, staff from Kidepo, staff from Action, staff from Bwindi. But when we're having these games, that's when you see us as a family. Of course, we have those minutes of artificial rivalry when CAs are competing against one another. The games help us, one, to ensure that people are fit, because they prepare for these games. The process of preparing makes them fit physically, which is good for our health. But also, they help us also to develop the talent within the institution. You have people out there in the field who have enormous talents, but these talents are not exploited. So these games give people that kind of opportunity to put their talents to use. And for example, we have some professional clubs. We have football club, we have an athletics club, we have a dance club. No, now these coaches are all there, and they are sporting. They are seeing who can we bring on to join the professional ranks. Sports is one area where you can't go wrong, especially if you get it right. You will find yourself in Canada, you'll find yourself running somewhere in Australia just because you started somewhere in Mburu. But also, you appreciate that we're a paramilitary institution. The shooting competitions also sharpen our abilities to not to miss, So when it comes to people who are participating in range shooting, it's a good opportunity because they practice and then come for the competition, they do matches, and it is good, once you practice, they say practice makes perfect. So it helps us also to sharpen our abilities to shoot without missing our targets. Now we are talking about sports tourism. And when we're talking about the games, for example, football is a crowd pulling game. The one I love most, which is tug of war, for example. I love tug of war a lot because it really gives you a real picture of people struggling to pull the others. The others also resisting, and it's just an amazing game to me as a person. But mention any sport lately, there is a tourism element around it. This time the games are going to be held in the Mgahinga conservation area. They are the hosts. Owing to the fact that they do not have a range ground, so range shooting competitions will be done in Queen at Nyamugasani range grounds. The games will be in Queen, but still it will be BMCA hosting. Then the ball games will all be in Buhoma, and it's going to be exciting because the communities are excited. You can think that the communities are the ones who are going to be playing these games. And me, I think it's good for us, once we remove this uniform and interact with these communities, they realize that after all, we are humans like them. It gives us an opportunity to pass on a message of conservation, to create that much needed awareness, so that people know that we can work together to conserve nature. The games are in open spaces. There's no entrance fee, so people just come and go at will. I think it's going to be massive. It's going to be interesting. It's going to be exciting to see us rubbing shoulders with all the community members there. And remember, these are the people who have enabled us to achieve whatever we have achieved. We are beginning on 6th. That's when CAs will start arriving in Queen, specifically for the range shooting competitions. They run from 6th to 9th, and then on 9th, all roads will lead to Buhoma, where we'll have the ball games. So the ball games will start on 10th, and that's when we'll have the opening ceremony. We expect the ED to preside over the opening ceremony, but also expect him to come at closure on 12th to close and hand over the trophies. There are going to be many trophies to be handed over to the winning teams, but also whoever will participate will also get a certificate of participation. Is it going to be Kidepo again? Who knows? Is it going to be another CA Margin Champions? So no one can tell for now, but all eyes will be there.